In this video, we'll make this simple 3D DNA strand in AutoCAD 3D. So let's start with the helix tool, and we'll start at the origin and we'll make it with a radius of 5 units, the base radius. And for that, let's go to this view and now type 5 as the base radius and then the top radius 5. And now let's go to this turns and enter 1 as number of turn and a height of 30 units. Okay, so here we have the helix. Now we need to add a straight line on the bottom of this helix here. So for that, I'll go to the line tool, start with this endpoint and make a line with a length of 10 units along x-axis. And let's exit this command. Now we need to convert this into 3D, but before that we'll make some circles here. So let's go to circle and make a circle with radius of 1 unit. Now repeat the command and make another circle with radius of 0.5 units. And we can make one more circle with the radius of 1 unit. So for that, I'll simply copy this original circle and make another copy here. Now let's go to the sweep tool and select this small circle, press enter, and now select this line. And here we have this 3D geometry. Now we need to make multiple copies of this using the path array. So select the path array, select the 3D object, and now here select the path. And from the properties panel, select this divide option, and in number of items, enter 18 and press tab or enter key. Now here we have the raw shape of this DNA strand, and we can now exit this array tool. So let's click on this close array. Okay, so now we'll make another spline, but we'll change it to CV. So go to method, click on this CV or the control vertices spline and click on this center point. We'll just uncheck this quadrant option, it's causing distraction. So I'll just now keep on clicking on the center point of all the 3D geometries which we have made. So keep on clicking for all of these points. So you may need to orbit this drawing a couple of times to get this correct. And here we have it. So now this spline is complete, and let's orbit this drawing to see it clearly. And here we have it. Now we can add more 3D geometries to this, and before that I'll go to the sweep tool, select any one of the circle, press enter, and now select the path. Now repeat the process for second circle as well. So select the circle, press enter, and select the second path, which is here. And here we have it, the 3D geometry. So let's change the visual style to see it more clearly, and I change it to shaded, and here we have it, the final DNA strand as per our requirement. Now we can also remove these two 3D solids, and this will give it a better look, and you can make it this way, the final 3D drawing.